In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to custom pattern detection in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to pull up the indicator and get it running on your charts so it can start doing the heavy lifting for you. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine here. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually found in the top toolbar, just above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools, community scripts, and your favorites are stored. After you click it, a new window will pop up. At the very top of that window, you'll see a search box. This is the fastest way to find anything in the indicator library, especially when you already know the name of the tool you're looking for. Click on that search box so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now, start typing Custom Pattern Detection. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list of indicators below. Be sure to type it carefully so you don't miss it. Once you see Custom Pattern Detection appear in the results, take a second to confirm it's the correct one. You can usually check the name and, if visible, who published it, just to make sure you're selecting the indicator you intended to use. When you've confirmed it, click on Custom Pattern Detection in the results. TradingView will immediately add it to your active chart. You should see something new overlaying your price data, such as markings, labels, or highlighted areas that represent the patterns it's detecting. If it doesn't appear right away, try zooming in or out or switching timeframes, because some patterns might only show under certain market conditions. At this point, you can also open the indicator settings by hovering over its name in the chart legend and clicking the settings icon. From there, you can usually customize how sensitive the detection is, which patterns you want to focus on, and how they're displayed on the chart. Take a bit of time to adjust these so they match your trading style and are visually clear for you. Finally, if you're interested in upgrading or trying out TradingView Pro to unlock more features and a smoother experience, check out the affiliate link that I've placed in the video description. It's a convenient way to get access to Pro while supporting the channel at the same time.